Hills mozo vezosi chibai, keima Mary Hongsain kahinlim uve, amasan tusu tumakai veu hite. Hilkung sa asam zia ti Vaichung High School Simlai Ho School Kaitalo. Manipuri cyclist Malim Thongamin Dimapur to Imphal Lampi Apalte Digo. NPF Sinapati Division in Advent Christmas Mangu. Sadar Hills Kangpopi District to Zang Vaichong Subdivisional Headquarters Ti Vaichong Government High School Simlai Hon Hilkung sa Asam Ziin School da sa inlam kileta din kigu na anay tawin ahi. Geldo thay khatchu achi sa Shazing August achun Simlai Hohin Hilkung sa Asam Zia Peaceful Silent Protest khat ananay uva School Vice Captain Idi Dahal Ama Satain Government pa le khatot ananeya ninglinga Hilkung angay cha danu anaslut ahitay. Ti Vaichong Government High School hi PM Sri School le School Faget Hansi Mission True masanga RMSA tia anakihe samagra siksa abiyan noya ahivanga Hilkung mi somni lekhat sengson ki bolla Hilkung mi lilanga bovin tu chanahi Simlai mi zathumle somget wal aboy pizingo ahi. Shazing August la kipin na le government pa le khatot ananay zo thathum zowa zong government le amo poho ako na imacha don but na le gel kho na di ilo zein phalla ni sim nga chun school muna Simlai Hon pamphlet cha Hilkung angai cha da nu thucheng tampi ki choi pumin kipin na new khat ananay kit uvin ahi thim zilding gel kho le zong lew ahil ding zilkung lo ze ahiding banga azil thei ta lo ze uwa ama in le kho ki le kit tadin anaphongun ahi. Eddie Dahal School Vice Captain in Asena Hilkung sa Asamdan amo poho kahe sa anungun zong shathum waldon lovin egi koy na laizun kusung mi mihil thei khat leni ahung ki pido zivin pha chom khat ehung hil zivin abang kum le kin zong lower class ho ka hilkum umzin ahin hitia hi iti chen kachi zo diu ham Hilkung umlowa thim kazil thei ta lo diu zin school da tha keima inchi ka kile diu ahitai ati. Aman asaybe na izem tia zathang kiloi khom na hihen amopo government langa ko na ehin boipi uwa school kahung kile kithei na diu lampi umle kipa ata thim zildia kahung kile ki diu ahi ati. Hilkung sa Asam zia Simlai Hon athim zil naw ada sa Sadar Hills thim zil na lama thusima ama sa penzong hung hiding ahin government in adon ta alo zong le hichi boipi ding kiloi khom na umlo hitam.
We are demanding government teachers, not extra, but the sanction number. The sanction number is 21, but we are not even getting 6. And there are teaching staff and non-teaching staff. So till now, we were managing by sometimes self-study or sometimes sharing our knowledge with each other. Sometimes I too go and teach the lower classes, sometimes by internet, or sometimes the local people came voluntarily and teach us what they know. But all those were not permanent. They were temporary for 1 month or sometimes 1 week. The government has provided us good infrastructure, good facilities, but we have a lack of teachers. So till now we were managing, but now we don't have any choice. So we all are from different villages and different communities. We came here to study, to learn something, but as we have a lack of teachers, we don't have any choice now, because we all are of higher classes now. We need good teachers, educated teachers, so that they could teach us and prepare us for our higher studies. But now we don't have any choice, so we are returning our home. We don't know till how much long are we going to stay there? As soon as we can come here and study, we are going to come. And we also request government, or if not government, then the private players or some private organization, that if some can help us, then we could come back and learn again. Anything which can help us, we welcome. Like if they can provide us teachers or something which can help us. We even demand this to the government of India few months back, but we don't have any response. So we hope that we could come back soon and study again.
Kumsom ni lagu malim thongam kiti meilei pasal nusu khanin chamna thang sapna bidoya elsa October ni sim ni akon Delhi Kutub Minar akon cycla Manipur ahinzo ju phaltha ni sim nga chun kilometer sang khatle zako le som nga lethum ahinzo zovin Assam Guwahati ahunglungtan ahi. Maban azot na ding lampi hi chalbe a azot na ding Imphal hlungthei ding hinam ti hi mipi lungboy na linta asutan ahi azi chu ama hi Government of India in Assam Guwahati chengebo security reason na phalna apiu ahi. Hichi nusu malim thongam hin Delhi akon Uttar Pradesh hunglut na Bihar la West Bengal ahinjot pa a Assam hunglut ahi. Government of India in Nagaland ako na Manipur alut ding phalna pihi zongle Guwahati ako na Assam to Nagaland border azon kitan ahi Manipur alut na theidia government in security escort api idya nge na aneiwa nga government in donbut na aneilo ahi. Kehi Istanbul kahipoy, politician jong kahipoy, Manipur chanu khat hi na a cham na thang sapding bidoy neya hichi to ogon hi kanei ahin, government in phal na apehen apehi zongle, Imphal zona kachi tho ding ahi tin hichi, meilei pasal nukiso, malim thongam chun asezin ahi. Dimapura kon Imphal azot na dia boy asa apenu hi seido hi zongleo kukizo chate chen na Sadar Hills Kangpo Upi District apal ding hi ahin izem tia akigot na banga phal na muhi hen hungjeng tale Sadar Hills hi apalgal kai theina dem ti hi ahepa chen lungdon na khat ahitai azi chu security escort puma hung hi hen achanga hung hi zongle ahung ta be le Sadar Hills mi ten khut beng puma pa avuya analem diu hi ginchat umlo ahi. Naga People's Front NPF Sinapati Division tema kay Nanoya phaltha ni sim nga chun Sadar Hills Kangpo Upi District Thangal Ecological Park mayang khang muna Advent Christmas anamangun ahi. MLA Losi di Khochu Kingon Vailuna anapangin NPF Manipur State Unit na lamkai chomchom tampile former Lok Sabha MP candidate Timothy Zimigin Zongpan analan ahi. Kingo na aholim na NPF Manipur State Unit President Awangbo Niumayin NPF ahong kipudo akon tuni chana akipudo na lamhlo nga kon achi lenglo dan asezin naga mite dinga tuni chana kitupta ale kita ta lam azot ding dan zong anasezin ahi. Alang khatna MLA Losi di kho in asay na a hichi kingon hi politics thu to imacha akimat na umlo ahin pakai Jisu Krista pingaldo na a Advent Christmas kimang ahi ati. Chandil District Hope sunga Changpol Wang Hukoma Indo-Myanmar border fencing kibol tha litlit chu mel hetlo hon meter zani tabong anaatan uvin ahi akiti. Geldo thei khatchu Government of India in border fencing abol hi Manipur thingthang mi ten nasata ado dal na anezu ahin ahi dia nagaten hi chi thu a kiphin na za chom zong anabol zingo ahi. Border Roads Organization BRO hon asim fencing chu Changpol Wang Hukom border pillar 67 le 68 na anakiatan ahin hichihi akhat veichen na ahitapon phatma sa azong border pillar 77 na hitabong thilso hi anaumsa ahitai. IZP CRPF Manipur le Nagaland chule IDZ Operation Kangpo Upi Range Vetkol Nanoyin 112 Battalion CRPF 10 kay Thilmanbi Military Colony muna Skill Development Program chungchanga Civic Action Program khat phaltha ni sim nga chun anapantawin ahi. Hichi kingo na chun kay Thilmanbi Military Colony Kalapahar le Daily ako na khangtha tampin pan analavin ahi. Hichi kichu na kingo na hi indoor class le outdoor class umding ahin. Indoor class sunga hi Gunchu Coaching Institute akon hetgil na ne hilkunghon reasoning, elementary, mathematics, general studies awareness le English ahi lo le Hindi kichu na api idiu ahi. Kichu na sunga hi morning PT kichaiting breakfast umding chule indoor class kichaiting lunch umding ahi. Kichu na apang ho study material ho zong kipiding ahi.